بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه ومن والاه. Our dear students of Tabuk High School, you are welcome to the explanation of Unit 6, Lesson 2, Flying High Level 2. We will talk about communication system, topic sentence and subordinate sentence. Finally, we will talk about the job. Let's speak about communication system. The most important thing of communication nowadays is telephone, mobile. So here are some questions to be answered by students. Do you spend more than 1 hour on the telephone every day? I think most people do. Do you listen to the radio a lot? Maybe. Do you spend more than 2 hours watching TV every day? I think most people do. Do you spend more than 2 hours using a computer every day? Or do you have a mobile phone? Nowadays, all people have mobile phones, even children do. Do you have an email address? Of course, it's email. It is email address is a necessary thing. Yes. Here I'm going to explain briefly, of course, what is topic sentence and what is subordinate sentence. Topic sentence is the sentence that gives the main idea of a paragraph. Every paragraph has a topic sentence. The main idea of the paragraph is called a topic sentence. Usually it comes at first. It is usual, of course, the first sentence of a paragraph. The sentence that comes after topic sentence is called supporting sentence. What is a supporting sentence? Supporting sentence is not a main sentence, but it gives details about the topic sentence. It gives details, information about the topic sentence. Yeah, here we, for example, we have 3 paragraphs, A, B, and C. 3 paragraphs. Yes, each paragraph has a main idea, has a topic sentence, and the writer explains the topic sentence. Yeah. The main idea, note the writer's point of view is in paragraph C. Paragraph C. As he said, in other words, of course, not his own word, but in our natural excitement over this constant development of electronic media, we should not forget that most people in the world don't have a telephone. And this is a fact, of course. Most people, poor people, most people don't, of course, not most people in the developing world don't have telephones and don't have computers, don't have electricity or clean water. Yeah. Here uh, paragraph C. The idea is in paragraph C. Here in paragraph C, he says, we may be in danger or ignoring that part of humanity that is not online or creating a society that consists of electronic haves and have-nots. Haves means the word haves means those people who has money, who are rich, and have everything they want. For example, mobile, laptop, computer, etc. And have not the poor people, the poor people who don't have these tools, who don't have these equipments, of course. Almost all households in the US today have at least three pieces of electronic communications equipment: a radio, a television, and a telephone. Of course, this is the idea of paragraph A. Major electronics companies are already working on the next generation in communications technology, combining all these modes of communication. Of course, this is the idea of paragraph B. Paragraph B here. Uh, as we uh, said, the writer's main point of view is contained in paragraph C. It is that although technology is existing and is becoming more and more a part of our daily lives, there are many people who are excluded, who don't have these equipment, okay, from those developments. Let's move to grammar. Gerund. What is gerund? Gerund. What is gerund? Gerund is adding ing to the base form of a verb. Adding ing to a base form to the base form of the verb to become a noun. To become a noun. For example, write, writing, read, reading, meet, meeting, watch, watching, prevent, preventing, etc. Here in exercise 3A, 3A, uh, we should underline the gerund phrase. Gerund phrase, not only the gerund word, no, gerund phrase, storing energy in batteries. All of these, all of these words are gerund phrase. Gerund phrase. Traveling by ZEV, traveling by ZEV, yes, will be cheap. Using a portable computer. All of this, all of these words, gerund phrase, gerund phrase. Yeah, they, of course, subject, subject, subject. Our best hope for the future is a creative thinking. Creative thinking is the gerund phrase. In exercise B, we um, we are asked to match words, gerunds, with prepositions. Success in business on depends on knowing the most to date information. Governments have been accused of ignoring. Of course, these words are called collocations. Collocations, yeah, depends on, accused of. Yeah. Governments have been accused of ignoring the problems caused by pollution. New generation mobile phones appeal to people interested in watching multimedia clips on the move. The internet is very useful for meeting other people with similar interests. International efforts should be aimed at preventing more environmental damage. Here, substitute the underlined words with join the phrase. The first one has been done for you. Ocean travel. Ocean travel. Ocean is a noun, travel is a noun. Here, travel is a noun. Ocean travel. The two words are nouns. The two words here are nouns. City life, nouns. Technology development, nouns. But one of these nouns, we should change it into a verb and we should add ing to make it gerund. Ocean travel, traveling by boat. Traveling by boat is uncommon nowadays. Night work, working at night. Working at night is usually very inconvenient. City life, of course we cannot change the noun city into a verb. We cannot. But we can change life into a verb and add ing to it. The verb of life is live. Yeah. Living in a city or cities. Living in a city can be dangerous. A lot of investment goes into technology development. We cannot change, of course, technology into gerund, but you can change development into the base form and then we can add ing to make gerund. Developing technology. A lot of investment goes into technology development. That's all. Thank you for listening.